the sector rotation model is kind of suggesting that the tech part of the market, consumer discretionary part of the market seemed to be a little bit happier and probably was going to show some outperformance. So I think the 13th was the last day right here. What do we got here? First 2 weeks. Yeah. So this part of the market really caught my attention. We have real estate way over here, but I really think that the Wall Street higher ups are thinking that this is the part of the economic cycle we're in. Now, this might have something to do with seasonality versus sector rotation. But nonetheless, if we just look at it from a sector rotation, there's technology, there's discretionary, there's consumer communication services. So what are we talking? We're talking the full sort of brunt of the recession, market bottom. The question really, I suppose, is has the Fed finished raising interest rates? You can see early recession, interest rates anticipated to be peaking. And then by the time we actually get to full recession, interest rates are starting to fall. So obviously with the big Fed announcement tomorrow, if they continue to raise short-term interest rates and they continue to talk about the necessity for higher rates going forward and the inflation pressure is still pretty strong, then you're probably going to see the discretionary and technology sector back off a little bit. So it is interesting to see how we got a bid up, and a lot of people are kind of hoping that maybe the Fed's done, maybe the Fed's done, maybe the Fed's done. Maybe we're a little bit further along this and the Fed is done. But I don't know. I don't think the Fed is done. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Only time will tell. You can see US dollar index is finally catching a bid. Is that sort of a buy the rumor kind of idea? You can see this weekly chart. Actually, we've even gotten stupidly oversold on the weekly basis. Don't see that every day. A little bit of a momentum div here. Not enough to get excited about though. On a daily basis, you can see momentum actually is trying to turn back up. Obviously, this is going to be entirely predicated on what the Fed does in the next couple of days. So, but don't be shocked if we have a little bit of a counter trend rally here just to relieve all this oversold condition. Again, first couple of weeks of February, that's what I would be thinking. Thank you.